Hello goddesses, it is your girl Toya Ray and I am back with another video. If you're new here, please make sure you join our goddess tribe and make sure you hit the notification bell so you know when I upload, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel. So as you can see, I am working on a wig here. I am so happy to announce that the Ray Effect will be back officially June 19th for a summer collection of ready to wear wigs. It was formerly Radiant Goddess. We have been going through some rebranding and we're finally complete and done, and I'm super excited to be working on wigs and to be designing wigs again for you ladies. So for the summer collection, when we release it on June 19th, we will be having a summer sale that day. So I'm going to leave the website's address in the description box so that you guys can sign up for my email list if you're interested in custom wig units. Most of the units will be lace closure units. There won't be too many frontal units as of yet. I am most definitely open to suggestions to what type of units you guys would like to see, like to have. The units coming out in this summer collection will be available in medium cap sizes, which is a regular cap size 22 circumference. I'm gonna be the size for most of the wigs. I'm gonna do a poll, so make sure you check the community tab on my page, and I want to see what type of wig units you guys are interested in. I still have plenty of time to design and get them ready, and what wig cap sizes I should make these available in. But that's it. I just want to give you guys a quick video of what I've been working on behind the scenes outside of Toya Ray Hair Care. Yeah, the Ray Effect is coming back. Let me know in the comments if you are excited about the custom wig units. Tell me what you think about this one. I just love the color on this unit. It's super bomb. Looking forward to doing more color wig units as well. But that's it, you guys. It was just a quick video to let you guys know what I got coming up. Hope to hear from you guys in the comment section. Until next time.